All right, so let's start off with today's tutorial. This title is WhatsApp um, logo made easy. All right, so our width 1,400, height 1,400. All right, so let's click on create. All right, so welcome to today's tutorial. I'm going to be creating our own WhatsApp logo. So first thing we'll have to do is I want us to change this background to something light. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's just leave it at this. So let's start off by using our Eclipse tool. Alright, so we're changing this to no fill, stroke is white, then you increase pixel. Okay, alrighty. Okay, so that's like the first step. Second step, you have to use the pen tool. So hit P on your keyboard. Okay, won't be needing stroke here. Okay, now let's take from this section, hit here, hit here, hit here, you hit here, you hit here, and close it there. So we're changing this to white also. Now this is what we have. Right click here and let's rasterize this layer. Okay, and what you have to do is zoom in. Let's go back to the pen tool. This time around we're using parts. Pardon. Yeah, sorry, I had to go on short break. So where were we? Click on the P. Let's go back to this shape. I want us to retouch this shape. Okay. So yeah. I want everything to be straight. Okay, now on the Eclipse tool, make sure you set here to parts and here to your pen tool, choose parts. Now what we'll do is come here, click, come here, click, then end it here. Alright, now you right click and choose make selection. Okay, as you can see, this is what you have. Then on your keyboard hit the delete button and click on and press Ctrl D. Okay, so let's zoom out, and this is how you do like the talking shape. All right, so what we'll now do is go ahead to draw our telephone. So hit the P again. This time around put it on shape. Change this to white, hit the OK button, All right, so we are now going to draw our phone. Okay, yeah. For this, you really need to know how to use the pen tool. Okay, or else this tutorial is going to be hard for you to comprehend. So hit here and here. Okay, so hit Control T and increase this. Expand it a bit. So that's basically how to do your WhatsApp logo using your Photoshop CC 2023 or whatever version you have or whatever version you know how to use. So just in case you're watching for the first time, please kindly share, subscribe, and invite your friends to like this channel, because definitely we'll be posting more tutorials, more easy tutorials for you guys to watch and learn. All right then, so guess I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. So thank you for watching.